Kids these days, with their video games, playing on their phones, getting brain rot and lazing about. They should get outside and do something productive with all the time they have. Wait! What's going on out here? I think this is an 8-year-old operating a Cat 120 skid steer. This is not just playing in the dirt for fun's sake. This Gen Alpha protege is helping his dad level out the dirt around the foundation of their new home to get the drainage flowing just right. This is under Dad's supervision and instruction, of course. If you think this is impressive, you should see how he operates a Cat 3075 excavator in the link above. He's having fun now, but little does he know he's getting an education to give him the skills to provide an income for him and his family, as well as learning to build and create, where so many people in this age just consume and waste. His dad is level 100. Check out our other videos on the military, construction, and advice on self-improvement for men. Berzerker Brotherhood is for men of all ages. We hope you join us as we grow this community of brothers out here.